We will solve the expression a raised to the power 2024 plus a raised to the power 2025, given that a squared plus a plus 1 equals 0. Our goal is a quick, visual, step-by-step solution. Start with the given equation. We will turn it into a power cycle fact. Multiply both sides by the factor a minus 1. That gives left parenthesis a minus 1 right parenthesis times left parenthesis a squared plus a plus 1 right parenthesis equals 0. The product is a cubed minus 1 equals 0, so a cubed equals 1. Since it does not equal 1, this means a is a cube root of unity and powers repeat every 3. Now reduce the exponents modulo 3. 2024 equals 3 times 674 plus 2, so a to the 2024th equals a squared. 2025 equals 3 times 675 plus 0, so a to the 2025th equals 1. So the requested sum becomes a squared plus 1. Use the original relation a squared plus a plus 1 equals 0 to replace a squared plus 1. From a squared plus a plus 1 equals 0, we get a squared plus 1 equals negative a. Substitute that into the sum. Final answer, negative a. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.